Hello guys, this video I'll show you how to create stunning black and white effect in Photoshop. Let's do this. First, let's drop some black and white filters from here. If you don't know about this filter, it has some black and white presets and color sliders to create some cool looking black and white effects in Photoshop. Let me pick one this for image. Lighter is fine. After that, let's drop some color lookup from here and then choose foggy night filter. Boom, it was really cool looking black and white effect. You can adjust the opacity from here, so it gives some lighter effect. Okay, let me copy this effect, then I paste it on some outdoor. Let's see how that looks. It was cool, but you have to adjust some brightness. Let me put some curves. Yeah, cool. Now this was really cool. Let me show you another example. Let me paste it here. Yeah, this was cool. Let me just put yeah, cool. Here you can choose filters from here, or you can adjust from here. Okay, just use the sliders and see how that looks. If you love that look, stick with the values. Yeah, this was really cool. Let's see how this works. Okay, yeah, this is nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you love this video, please press that like button and let me know you love this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I love to answer those questions. This was my first voiceover video in this channel. Let me know how I sound like, so I can improvise my channel a bit. Once again, thank you for watching. We will see you next time.